Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a quick video to share with you guys. I'm already wearing this beautiful Adored Colors nail polish. It is a magnetic polish, and this one is going to be available for purchase at the polish pickup website. I'll have all the details in the description box of this video, and it'll be available September 2nd through the 5th for pre-order. It's called I Dare You Drink It, and it is a magnetic polish, so I wanted to quickly show you guys when I applied it. I also wanted to show you guys live what it looks like here on the actual bottle with the magnet that I have. I have this one that is round and that looks really cool. I love it. And then on the other side, it has this rectangular one, which does the cat eye effect. So here's a close-up of the brush, what it looks like. It's a beautiful, beautiful polish. I love it. It's so unique and different. I thought this would be a perfect base for the new Beautometry stamping plate that I got that I shared with you guys yesterday. This one is called Everglades 1, and I'll have the video linked if you haven't seen it yet. I go through the 3 stamping plates that they sent me, and you can see the images more clearly. Because there's so much going on with this polish, I just wanted to do something simple, so I thought maybe I could stamp this beautiful long snake and maybe some snake print. So we're just gonna do a basic black stamping. I'm using my black Maniology stamping polish. It's called Straight Up Black. Oh, that looks really cool. Since I really like the way it turned out, I'm gonna use the same image on all the nails. I think for the last nail, I'm going to choose this little tiny snake and I'm just going to stamp it on there. That looks cool. I really love the way today's design turned out. The stamping was really simple because the base polish has so much going on that it's the right amount of black stamping on top to let the polish still shine through. Remember, you can find out information about Beautometry. I'll have all the details in the description box of the video, as well as the Adored Colors polish that will be available in the polish pickup for September. And I'll also leave the Adored Colors Facebook group so you can join if you're interested in following Adored Colors. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!